Hey everyone, my name is Sanju Jose. I'm a periodontist. We're based out of Columbia, Maryland. We're a periodontal and very implant heavy practice. We utilize a lot of the newest technology and of course, Yomi robotics. And with that, we were lucky enough to do a limited market release with the Yomi bone reduction. So I'm excited to talk about it a little bit. In our practice, we do a lot of guided surgery. We do a lot of stackable surgery. We do, from hybrid cases to overdenture cases, this has been groundbreaking. I love it. Yomi as a whole has been great and it's very precise. But what the bone reduction adds is another dimension. So when we do these, and let me start with these overdenture cases. So when we do these, putting 4 implants on the top or 4 implants on the bottom, and we want to do these, bone reduction, before, Yomi didn't have that capability. And even when we're doing bone level guides, which are static guides that we would put into place that my lab would make for me, these are advanced guides. Once we take the teeth out, the guide is put into place. Now, these implants end up very deep, right? Because the bone reduction has to be accounted for. Implants go through the guide. Once we remove the guide, now we have to reduce the bone. Or you have to pay for a lot more expensive stackable guided system just for an overdenture case. And so now with Yomi, we don't have to worry about that. So what I love is it's been, even with just a few cases, it's been so user-friendly and I didn't have to think about how to use it. I was able to just take the handpiece, go to work, and the accuracy has been amazing. So with the overdenture cases, it's turned the game for us. We're able to go in, plan our bone reduction. We can adjust exactly what plane we want. We can line up our implants. We can level them out. We know exactly how much bone reduction. We can change any kind of direction on the go. So what's great is we can extract the teeth. Unlike a static guide, now if we lost a buccal plate, we can move the implant positions with Yomi, and now we can change the bone reduction with Yomi, right? So now, whereas in the past we'd be stuck with that stackable guide or with that static guide, now we have real-time ability to change the plan as we go. As I go in for the bone reduction, like I said, it's been very user-friendly, very straightforward, down to the 0.1 millimeter. This thing is so precise. And we're using very little force, and then the handpiece does the rest. We can visualize on the screen exactly how much bone reduction is left, and if you want to touch up some areas, we can set our entire field. So beyond the boundary that we set, the drill will not go past it, which is the beauty of Yomi robotic surgery. And with that, comes patient safety. And of course, accuracy. We don't need to peel back the flap a whole lot more because we can set our limitations. So with overdenture cases, that's been a game changer for us. Now with the stackable system that we have been using in the past, the base guide can go in and we can reduce bone down to that level. But that's a very invasive flap that we have to do in certain cases to be able to fit all the parts and pieces. And what Yomi bone reduction has done is kind of eliminate that. So even with these stackable or typical hybrid cases, we can now go in with Yomi bone reduction, reduce the bone exactly where we need it to be, and then position our implants utilizing Yomi. So it's been amazing. It's been a game changer for us.